Hey, Cohen here, and I want to just congratulate you on making the decision to go in and purchase this program. I think you're making one of the smartest, most life-changing decisions that you may have made in a long time. I'm here at the Santa Monica Pier with my family, and we're just taking in the sights. We're having a great time. We've been out here in California for the last 2 weeks, and we're just exploring a little bit of everything. We're not sparing any expense, and just the lifestyle that I get to not only enjoy for myself, but to also be able to give my family, visit my wife, my 2 kids there, is second to none. And it's a lifestyle that is paid for by the program that you are about to get access to. All right, it's paid for by this program that you're about to get access to. Again, I want to welcome you into the program. I want to say congratulations for making the decision to go in and purchase this. You're making an extremely smart decision. It's going to be something that gives you freedom of time and the freedom of finances that you deserve, that everyone deserves, right? Unfortunately, not everyone is aware of, this opportunity. You are aware of it. And more important than that is the fact that you've made the decision to get in. So, welcome aboard. I'll see you on the inside.